Hello everyone, today we are making 50% wholemeal flour bread. I will use stand mixer to make this bread. The ingredients are wholemeal flour 1.5 cup, white high-grade flour 1.5 cup, instant yeast 2 teaspoons, sugar 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients, then put the bowl on stand mixer. Use the hook tool to make the dough. Slowly pour 1.5 cup warm milk into the ingredients. The milk is about 30 degrees Celsius. When the milk is mixing well with the flour, we can add oil in. We use 2.5 tablespoons of oil. I use olive oil, but you can use other vegetable oils. Now we start kneading the dough. The total kneading time is 10 minutes. My stand mixer has 3 speeds: low, medium, and high. The time split is 5 minutes for low speed, 3 minutes for medium speed, and 2 minutes for high speed. Okay, the first 5 minutes low speed is done. Stop the mixer, rearrange the dough position to the end of the hook or move it to the bowl. Then start the medium speed for 3 minutes. The medium speed is done. Rearrange the dough again, then start the final 2 minutes high-speed mixing. My stand mixer also has manual power kneading. I give the dough manual power kneading for 3 times, about 2 to 3 seconds each time to finish the kneading. Now the dough is done. Fold the dough to a ball, then we can start proving. I use the mixer bowl for proving, so I don't need to wash another bowl. Cover the bowl, proof to double the size. Today is about 20 degrees Celsius. I waited for about an hour. While waiting for the dough to proof, we can prepare the baking tin. I use the glass baking tin, so I need to brush a layer of oil on the tin first, then cover with a thin layer of flour to create a non-stick effect. If you are using a non-stick baking tin, this step can be saved. One hour later, the dough is done. Release the gas inside the dough first. I'm not kneading the dough, I'm just releasing the gas now by pressing the dough. After releasing the gas, roll the dough to an oval shape. I couldn't roll the dough to a nice oval shape, so I need to adjust the dough to fit into the baking tin. Roll out the dough, then seal the edge. I pressed the dough so it can fit to the bottom of the baking tin nicely. Brush a layer of oil on cling wrap to prevent the dough stick on the wrap later. Cover it on the baking tin. Now the dough is ready for the second time proving. I also used 1 hour for the second time proving. 1 hour later, the second time proving is done. Preheat the oven. Set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Put the dough to the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Put an aluminum foil paper on top if the color of the bread has reached your preferred color to finish the 20 minutes. Now the bread is done. The bread is very hot now, so we have to wait until the bread is totally cooled down, then we can slice the bread. Now it's the next morning. The bread is softer than yesterday. I use a meat slicer to slice the bread. The meat slicer is doing a perfect job to slice the bread. Okay, that's all I want to share this recipe. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can knead the dough instead. The result should be the same. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.